Alright, from the gift pack set from Railway City in St. Thomas, we're going to be doing up one of their beers. You get 3 in this set plus a glass. You get the Dead Elephant IPA glass plus that beer, which I've had before. You get a stout, and you get the one that's in this video. It's Railway City Brewing Cranberry Festive Lager. Comes in at 5.5% alcohol. Now, the can for Dead Elephant, it's actually part of the label and stuff, but this can in the stout, it's like that label that they put on to it and like glue down, so the edge has that little bit of a sharpness, and I dislike when they do that. Okay, Merry and Bright. Water, malted barley, hops, yeast, and cranberries. Handcrafted in St. Thomas. Railway City Brewing Company, 5.5%. That's the glass, because like Dead Elephant Ale, it's this elephant that was alive from 1861 to 1885. It died on like some railroad tracks and stuff out in St. Thomas. Live life large. So let's pour this and see what we get. Cheers. It's been a while since I've had a Railroad City brew, and I don't think I've had too many of their brews. It's got some cranberry smell to it. A little bit of a sweetness that might seem almost gingerish. You might get a little bit of the lager smell, otherwise it's like taking it away. So it smells like cranberries and maybe a little sweet ginger. You might get a little lager smell, may not. Cheers. He's had really good track of the puck tonight. The puck hits him and stays there. He's caught a couple of shots from the point. It's a lot more comfortable, certainly, than he did Saturday night. He was on the ice a long while this morning, too, Gord, at the morning skate. I think it's some extra work. He was exhausted. Well, either way, that's my pour. Carbonated. One small ring finger of head with some bubbles on the end ahead of me. Nothing really there, but it pops up. It's got that goldenness that a lager would have because of the cranberries. It's got a little bit of like a reddiness. So, you know, a little like orangey honey, amber reddiness. It's carbonated. Cranberry smell. A little bit of like a warmth that has a little bit of like a sweetness, maybe a little roastedness, and it seems like it might be ginger or something, or lemongrass. Not too much of a lager smell, if. Cheers. You can taste that it's carbonated. Got a bitter bite that comes in. There's a little bit of creaminess on the tongue. There's definite cranberry taste. I'm gonna say you get like a bitter bite from the hops. It's got a cranberry taste, and it's got a little bit of a ginger taste. Yeah, cranberries. They give it a little juicy tardiness. That's a little sweet. The ginger, when you get it, gives a little sweetness too, and it gives a little bit of a, you know, what ginger can do to the stomach sometimes, a little tiny pain. Some of it dries out a little, some of it doesn't, and it leaves a little creaminess on the tongue. It's a nice little different, light interesting dessert little treat. Try. Bitter and weird on that taste. And goodbye.